Most of the students fail in trigonometry not because it is difficult, but because they make tiny mistakes. So missing a bracket or a wrong calculator mod or mixing up sine and cosine. So I now give you the detail of these errors. For example, here write sine 30 degree. So it's equal to 0.5. But if your calculator is in the wrong mod, then it might give you a value of minus 0.988. That is obviously wrong. This one is correct. So why? Because the calculator is in radian mod, not in degree mod. So you must correct your mod be before actually calculating it. And the degree mod is, it's denoted by DEG, and radian mod, it's like RAD. Okay, this is one of the most frequent errors. The second error is wrong opposite and adjacent sides, because in a triangle we know that there are three sides. Here, one side, if we draw this angle, one side is opposite to the angle theta, and the other side is adjacent, so opposite and adjacent here, and this is hypotenuse, this is opposite to the right angle. So students memorize actually opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse, and they think that sine theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, or divided by hypotenuse. Okay, and cos theta, it is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. But they miss a very important point, that these names depend on the angle. For example, I take this angle as theta. Now opposite and adjacent sides will change. Now this is adjacent side, this one, and this side opposite to the angle theta, it is O. Now sine theta is, again, it's O over hypotenuse, this one, and similarly cos theta will also change. So point to remember here is that the ratios depend on which angle you are considering at the moment. No side is permanently opposite or adjacent. Okay, and the third error is that when we write sine theta, it is equal to 0.6. So many students write theta is equal to sine 0.6, and they forget inverse function. This is wrong. Theta is equal to sine inverse 0.6. Press the shift button of your calculator, then the sine button, and evaluate 0.6. You will get the correct value. Otherwise, if you simply press sine and then write 0.6, you will get a wrong angle. The value of the angle will be totally wrong, even if your procedure is correct. So the sine gives a ratio from an angle, while inverse sine gives an angle from a ratio. So sine is angle gives ratio, and inverse, sine inverse gives, sine inverse is equal to ratio, and it gives angle. This is input of sine inverse, the ratio, and it gives angle as an output. Thank you for watching the video, and keep on watching more videos, and contact me on Preply if you need further guidance.